Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Morveth cave in Abyss Roblox. So if you're trying to unlock the legendary Morveth treasure gun or deliver crafts for the diver quest number 9, you'll need to find the elusive NPC Morveth, who is hidden deep within a secret cavern. So in here, I'm going to show you the exact route from spawn so you don't run out of your oxygen. So first, you just need to go in between this leaderboard and you can just go out from the Forgotten Dome and just go straight in here until you pass the divers. Okay, so just go straight in here until you pass this part right here. You need to be careful because there's a predator fish in this area. Okay, so you can just go down now until you see a red color. So let's just go around in here. So it's night at now, so it's not visible. You can just go down. Don't forget to prepare oxygen in this area because it's deep. Okay, you'll see a red color or red corals in here, and once you spot this red, you'll see the entrance. So this is the entrance to the Morveth cave. Sorry. So you can just enter here and you'll arrive in the Morveth cave. And for the NPC, this is where the Morveth is. You can see this one. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can find Morveth's NPC and also Morveth's cave. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.